Hi, everyone. Have a good day. Business, business, business. Welcome to a world where dreams become reality, where hard work meets opportunity, and where financial growth knows no bounds. From the tech giants of Silicon Valley to the financial powerhouses of Wall Street, from the manufacturing marvels of Shanghai to the entrepreneurial spirit of Nairobi, our world is a tapestry of thriving industries, a montage of people working in different industries, technology, manufacturing, agriculture, finance, with animations showing growth charts and rising stock values. Innovation and determination fuel the engines of these industries. It's the relentless pursuit of excellence that propels businesses forward, creating jobs, wealth, and opportunities for millions around the globe. A close-up of an individual in a small office, starting a business on their laptop, followed by scenes of them expanding, hiring employees, and opening new locations. Every great enterprise starts with a single idea, a spark of creativity. It's the courage to take that first step that sets the foundation for monumental success. Animated graphs and charts showcasing exponential financial growth with currencies from different countries swirling around. Financial growth isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about the real-world impact, improving lives, building communities, and fostering innovation. Inspirational stories of entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds sharing their journeys, struggles, and triumphs. Every entrepreneur has a story, stories of perseverance, resilience, and unwavering belief in their vision. These stories inspire us, showing that no dream is too big and no goal is out of reach. A visual representation of a global network, with people connecting through digital platforms, trading, and collaborating across borders. In today's interconnected world, opportunities are limitless. Technology bridges gaps, and global collaboration opens doors to new markets and partnerships. Scenes of successful businesses giving back to their communities, building schools, supporting healthcare, and promoting sustainable practices. True success is measured not only by financial gain, but by the positive impact we make on society. Successful businesses give back, nurturing the very communities that support them. A powerful montage of people from different walks of life, students, workers, entrepreneurs, looking determined and hopeful. The future is bright for those who dare to dream, who work tirelessly, and who never give up. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are boundless. A panoramic view of the city at sunset, with lights twinkling, symbolizing hope and endless possibilities. Together, we can build a better tomorrow. Embrace the journey, chase your dreams, and let's create a world where everyone thrives. Believe in your dreams, invest in your future, inspire the world. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and motivational content. End with the channel's logo and uplifting music fading out. Feel free to adjust and add specific details that resonate with your audience or align with the unique themes of your YouTube channel.